Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you again here to our channel. My name is Samuel and today is Monday. Trader, we're approaching now 7 p.m. Eastern Time. In less than 7 minutes here, we're going to hit 7 p.m. and I'm very grateful to be here once more. This second day of the week for us, Trader, because we started yesterday. And we can say that overall trading yesterday was good because most of the time we follow our plan, because that is the most important part for a trader, to follow his plan, and that is what we did yesterday. So we started now a new session today, and before we move forward, I need to welcome those in French. Trader, mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue sur notre chaîne et je suis Samuel. Aujourd'hui c'est lundi soir, nous approchons 19h dans quelques minutes, moins de 6 minutes, nous serons à 19h temps de New York. Alors très heureux d'être ici une fois de plus. Hier était dimanche et aujourd'hui c'est lundi. Alors hier nous avons terminé la session d'hier qui a été très difficile, mais qui a été gagnée grâce au fait que j'ai suivi mon plan. Voilà, il faut toujours suivre son plan, très important. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer. Trader, we're moving forward and let's see our daily chart. One second. Let's see our daily chart here and see what we have here. And now we have a Doddy here, Trader. And now we have a pullback on US Japanese. Other side we have some kind of retracement, indecision, which means that today we don't know which direction we're going to take. Maybe we're going to have a pullback. It's possible. After a big move, Trader, probably have a pullback, and we already have it here on Canadian, and we had it also on US Japanese, and GBP also already have a pullback. So we don't know if we're going to continue down or we are going to move up, because the market went down 3 consecutive days here on the Canadian, and 3 consecutive days, also 3 here, and those 2 days was the uptrend, and now this day was half pullback. So let's see. I don't really know. Probably we may continue down. It's possible, but I'm not sure. Trader. Donc je disais que lorsque nous regardons nos trades, nous voyons que nous sommes dans les décisions. Nous ne savons pas juste quel côté le marché prendra. Néanmoins, nous allons regarder le marché et suivre la tendance. Voilà. Donc, je ne sais pas. Peut-être nous allons continuer en bas. Voilà, c'est possible. Ou bien nous essaierons de venir vers le haut. Alors, nous allons voir ce que le marché nous donnera. Trader. So let's go to 4 hours here. Trader. We have our 4 hours rejection from the low. 4 hours here. And we have, I want to place my stop below here. I mean I'm talking about horizontal line. If we hit here, we're gonna see for the pullback. So let's see. Less than 2 minutes now. Gonna hit 7 p.m. trader. Let's see. Already 7 here. Trader. Almost. So let's see. See a rejection. Let's watch. When we look at franc Swiss here versus JPY, we see that the gap hasn't been closed. We have multiple gap here. We haven't closed the gap. Even Australia Japanese here haven't closed the gap correctly. The gap, yesterday gap, we haven't closed it. So I think the trade have to come back to close the gap here. Yeah, probably we may do it today. I'm not sure. Okay, now this guy already closed the gap. You're Japanese, close the gap here. UJ already closed the gap. Other guy no. Let's see. DiCaprio, comment tu vas? Merci beaucoup. Enchanté de te voir, quoi. Bonsoir à vous. So trader, we are moving here on the right direction. I think this evening, probably we're gonna close the gap because the gap still open because the gap of yesterday, most of the gap of yesterday hasn't been closed. So I think we gotta keep going down today. I'm not sure. But anyway, we don't tell the market what they have to do, but the market will tell us, and we're going to follow the market. Donc, comme je disais, nous allons, quand nous regardons le bond d'hier, nous voyons que nous avons encore l'ouverture. Parce que si j'essaye de mettre ça ici pour que vous puissiez voir. Nous allons voir que le marché a fait un très grand bond hier. Voilà, d'ici là, il a fait un très grand bond. La question se poserait de savoir pourquoi ce bond, ce genre de bond, puisque le marché est durant le week-end. Voilà, nous voyons un bond ainsi. Bon, nous pourrons l'expliquer. Après, je vais commencer par l'anglais. So, this is the question. Why do we have the gap? Why did the gap happen? The market is closed. You know, the central bank are closed worldwide. And why? And also the broker account are closed. Why do we have gap? Let's say market, you know, where they do the transaction, like Tokyo, you know, and London, US, Sydney. Most of the market are closed during the week, Saturday. But why do we have gap? The answer is very simple. You have to understand that. Very, very simple. That we have gap here because even though the market is closed, even though the central bank are closed, but the transaction keep circulating. People keep doing transaction. For example, people are keep traveling even during the weekend. You know, people do transaction and they change money all over the world. But the fact that the central bank are closed doesn't mean that they don't transact. You know, there's still transaction, you know, in the closed door. That is why those transactions keep going on and on and on and on. And now when the market open, the market find that the transaction has been, you know, it just jumped from here to here, open, because of the transaction were already made by people. So that is why sometimes you can see a gap down when the dollars maybe or the currencies went down based on the transaction or went up, you know. And now when the market open, we just see a gap just coming. So usually traders, people try to close those gaps, you know. They try, there is a reason to close the gap, you know. So I won't explain everything today, but you know, we can just take that one. Je disais que la raison pour laquelle nous voyons ce genre de gap, c'est que lorsque le week-end, les banques sont fermées, ça ne veut pas dire que les banques sont totalement fermées, puisque les transactions continuent dans le noir. Voilà, les gens voyagent, ils transactent l'argent, ils changent des devises. Donc, lorsqu'on change de devise, il y a fluctuation. Voilà. Cette fluctuation fait en sorte que lorsque le marché rouvre, ça trouve qu'il y a eu fluctuation et directement il y a le gap. On peut avoir un bond vers le haut ou bien un bond vers le bas. Ça dépend. Donc, et pourquoi est-ce qu'on ferme ce bond? Ça là, j'expliquerai plus tard. Okay, so that is what I'm saying, that those gap probably going to have the close. Those gap, you know, going to have them probably, and we'll see. Trader. So yesterday the trade was very, very hard. Yesterday, very, very, very difficult. Yesterday, and what I'm happy with the yesterday trade was that I stick on my plan. Usually, I used to, you know, it's not only me. Many people do that because when something doesn't go the way they plan, they have tendency to change. You know, they change it. They do something else right away. But yesterday I tried to keep my my plan on, you know, and you know, it paid off. That paid off very well. It paid off very well. So because based on my data, I realized that it's important. It's really, really important to keep your plan, to follow your plan, because I missed to follow my plan several times and I got losses, a lot of losses, based on the fact that I don't keep my plan on. So we need to keep our plan and follow them no matter what. You know, it's important because you gotta trust your strategy. You gotta trust what you're doing. Ok. Donc je disais que dans mes, comment dirais-je, mes analyses, ou bien les enregistrements, ou bien mon historique, voilà le mot, je me suis rendu compte que lorsque je place un trade, j'ai un plan déterminé pour commencer le trade. Et après, je change de plan. Par exemple, j'étais en train d'aller long ou bien acheter pour aller vers le haut. Et après, maintenant, comme comment dirais-je, la tendance qui est le chart, les bougies, voilà, ça ne part pas tout droit vers le haut. Des fois, ça va vers le haut, ça vient vers le bas, ça va, ça danse, ça danse. Bon, des fois, je dis, ok, peut-être j'étais en erreur. Je change maintenant le sens. Je prends maintenant vers le bas. Après, finalement, quand ça fait ainsi, ça prend toujours le côté vers le haut, là où j'avais pris. Donc, ça veut dire que je change mes idées au milieu, en plein milieu de route, quoi. Bon. Alors, je me suis rendu compte qu'en le faisant, je perdais beaucoup, je ne profitais pas. Alors, je me suis rendu compte qu'il était important de respecter mon plan. Alors, chaque trader doit respecter son plan, c'est important. We need to keep our plan on, very, very important. Follow those plans. Very, very necessary, very, very important. It's important to do that. So let's see what the market is going to give us here. Let's see. DiCaprio, comment vous allez? Si vous me suivez. Je suis surpris de vous voir, quoi. Je ne peux pas répondre par écrit parce que je suis en train de trade. Voilà. Et aussi mon endroit où j'ai l'habitude d'écrire, c'est un peu couvert ici. Néanmoins, généralement, je réponds les gens ils écrivent et je réponds par d'autres voix. Je peux parler. Donc, tu m'écoutes, tu peux écrire, il n'y a pas de problème, je vais lire. On sait bien. We're coming a little bit down now. I don't know. Let's see what the market is going to do. Let's see. Market pulling down. We are on the support here. Here as well. Let me see. You see a rejection? Les gars, ils n'ont pas fermé, hein? Yep. Ils ont fermé. We see a rejection on See a rejection. Coming down, probably going to break. Coming now to break below. Let's see. Breaking now on UG. Oui, il y a beaucoup de démos, de démos accounts. Ça, ce n'est pas un problème. Voilà, ça, c'est pas un problème. Je peux te donner le nom des démos accounts que tu peux avoir. Il y a plein. Il y a beaucoup de plateformes qu'on peut utiliser. So we come in now. We broke here on UJ. I gotta be careful because I gotta see if it's holding, because we can see a rejection here, because that is the only pair broken here. You need to be careful to see. Probably may have a rejection. Let's see, we're gonna have a retest. Let's see. We have a continuation. We have a continuation there. Let me see here. I haven't logged in. We are already on here on the support. Let's see if we gotta continue there, trader. DiCaprio, je vais t'envoyer l'email, comme ça là, tu pourras m'écrire. Voilà. Voilà. Tu peux m'écrire là-bas. Je crois que tu peux voir les emails que j'ai envoyés. C'est tradeafrica1@gmail.com. Donc, tu pourras m'écrire là-bas. Comme ça, là, je vais te faire certaines suggestions pour les plateformes que tu pourras utiliser. So, someone is asking, what are some platform, demo platform, suggestion for demo platform. First of all, you got to know the country where you are. The country where you're located is important because all demo or all broker don't give demo everywhere. It's very important to know which country are you from, where you're located. And I can even advise you guys to do the research on Google, asking demo Forex broker, free demo for Forex broker. It's very simple. In your country, going to suggest you what you can do. That is what I think. That is even best, the better way to do it, to approach it. That is what I'm thinking. So we're moving a little bit down here on US Japanese here. So I wanted to see if I could have go short here, but I'm scaring for the rejection. I gotta wait again. I don't want a surprise. Chelsea, if you're connected, someone is asking suggestion for demo account, for Forex. If you can give or write some demo suggestion here. I think, DiCaprio, which country are you from? Canadian or what? De quel pays? Tu nous décris? Du Canada ou bien de quel pays. Parce qu'il faut connaître la localité où tu te trouves afin de savoir quel genre de démo nous pouvons te suggérer. C'est important. So, if you guys are searching for demo account, you can search it on Google based of your location, because all demo we can suggest you right here and not be suitable to you or available in your country, you know. So you need to be careful. Be back. Ok. Ok, c'est bien. As-tu vu l'email que j'ai envoyé? Je ne sais pas si c'est arrivé là-bas. Je n'ai même pas mis ça dans le chat. So, I'm trying now to see if I can go on the short here at this level here, because we already break here. Maybe we may have some kind of rejection. I'm not sure. Gotta wait a little bit and see. Ok. C'est pas pourquoi c'est pas. Ok. All right, we're having a break also here on the row. The row is breaking, trader. I'm going short here, trader. Took 2 trade for the short. So, and also if I take a short here on Australia, place my stop above, took my first trade, trader. Let's see. Took my first trade. Ok. Il faut attendre un peu. Je vais remettre l'email. Il paraît que mes devices dérangent un tout petit peu pour écrire. J'ai envoyé dans mon autre computer. Je vais voir après. So, trader, we are going now short. Already on 3 trade. I gotta wait for the other one to see the direction. I'm testing the water with the 3 trade. Pulling back on Australia here. I can place my stop here above the 20. Let's see. We're seeing the pullback. We see a pullback here. We're back. DiCaprio, il paraît que les chats ne partent pas. Parce que j'ai vu d'autres personnes ont écrit. Ça ne se présente pas. Je ne sais pas pourquoi. Bon, je vais arranger ça après. J'arrangerai ça après. Je ne sais pas. So we see a pullback here. Trader. See a pullback. Ok. Les charts viennent maintenant. Je vois. Just you don't see the link you're talking about. We're pulling back up. I just entered the trade here. It was a mistake because it was on the support. I can see right on the support. Enter that trade. It was a bad entry. Even here, same thing. That is why sometimes when you want to enter the trade, you have to pull it out. You know, you gotta wire the trade to see the big picture. Yeah, wire the trade, you see the big picture of the trade before you jump on it. Those are the mistakes, we always make. No good. Let's see. I'm on 3 trade. Fortunately, I didn't take a lot. When you write small, it's short, but when you write too much, nothing come. That is how it is here. I don't know what happening with YouTube this evening. I don't know what happened. Sorry about that. Pulling back. DiCaprio, je pense que tu regardes, tu vois un peu Okay, I'm out of my trade there. My entry point wasn't good, trader. Yeah, my entry wasn't good for those trade. I enter on the support. I didn't wire it very well. Just take a look. Yeah, it wasn't a good entry. So it happens sometime, Really out of my Australia trade. Yeah, I see. Thank you. Even though the link wanted to send you a link, but the link doesn't work. But that's fine. Even me here, when I send something, it doesn't go through. I don't know why. So see, hold it. You're approaching 8, trader. Even though my two entry wasn't too good, but I'm still holding. I went out of one, get stopped out. I'm still holding. Other one. So let's see. And I encourage you guys to take small quantity when you're still learning, because we're here to learn. Small quantity is very, very important, so that we can last for long. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. It's important. Like our videos. We're approaching 8. Watching, we're approaching 8. At 8, we're going to have more volume coming in from the Tokyo market gonna open. That is why we're waiting. So less than 50 minutes or 60 minutes. Gonna see. Okay, the rien. Keep moving up. I gotta move my stop down here. Move my stop here. Move my stop there. Want to see a pullback down. I'm watching gold here, trader. This is my other platform here, and I have some swing trade I've been taking here. I'm following. You can see here, and when you look at the gold, man, the gold is uptrend. You know, keep going up and up and up. So when you place now 4 hours on gold, you can see we have high and high low, high and high low on gold. Keep moving uptrend, bullish. Very nice here for those who are in trader. See, keep moving up and up. So I'm not in gold, but I'm trying to to join the party as well. It's a good ticker to trade. You can see in our daily chart, keep going, but I don't think that this is the best time to join the gold, because we may see a reversal here. At that level, it's possible. If I go to as one day, let me see the weekly chart on gold. My chart doesn't change here anymore. My platform is freeze, because sometimes this platform, when I do it, okay, this is a daily chart anyway. So I would just wanted to show my small swing trade here. I've been on the trade, Euro US and Euro Japanese, Euro GBP, and New Zealand, Swiss franc here. Those are the trade I'm swimming, but I swim with a small, very, very small quantity trader. So, and then maybe next time I will join the gold trader. So let's see now our trade here. Let's keep moving. Let's keep watching what we were trading. So let's see if we can have a pullback there or continuation. I don't know. So my entry, as I said, was not good. I was supposed to get out, but I didn't. I prefer to hold it, because sometimes when I enter the trade, we need to check the trade very well before entering. Voilà. Donc, ça c'était une autre plateforme que j'ai montré. Cette plateforme, je prends les trades là-bas, on appelle le swim trade. Ça veut dire les trades que je prends pour passer des jours, voire des semaines ou des mois. Mais je prends les petites quantités. Donc, je parlais de l'or, comment ça monte. Peut-être la prochaine fois, je serai aussi dedans. Donc, le trading, c'est aller doucement, doucement. Voilà, doucement, doucement. Ça prend beaucoup de temps. Très, très dangereux. J'ai fait une erreur de prendre ce trade parce que je n'ai pas bien ouvert pour voir la direction. J'étais sur le support, mais je ne me suis pas rendu compte. Néanmoins, j'ai gardé ce trade sur la perte. Bon. Moi, je ne trade pas avec le démo, je trade avec le vrai agent, mais avec une petite quantité. Voilà. J'utilise un peu d'argent seulement. Pas beaucoup. Voilà. Donc, ceux qui veulent aussi utiliser l'argent propre, il faut utiliser très peu. Voilà. Pas beaucoup. Parce que vous allez perdre. En apprenant, on perd. Sorry. On perd beaucoup. Donc, il faut réduire les pertes. So, let's see. We're approaching now 8 soon. Gonna hit 8 p.m. Eastern time. There's a 5-minute here. My stop are there. I have another stop here. This is my other stop here. So let's see. Soon we're gonna hit 8 p.m. Let's see what's going to happen at 8. Et le trading demande beaucoup de patience. Tellement de patience. On n'est pas pressé en tradant. Il faut donner du temps. Voilà. Need a lot of patience when we're trading, you know, because trade take time. When you get into the trade, you gotta be patient. And then 3 minutes here. 7 p.m. I mean 8 p.m. Twitter. Let's see what we're going to have here. Soon we're gonna hit 7 p.m. My trade are there. I'm in on 2 trades. I have my stop here. So usually I used to get out at 8, but if I have 2 trades like this, I'm not carrying a lot of risk. So I may stay here because I'm on the uptrend here. Probably going to sell a little bit, and that would allow me to get out if it's possible. But if it continue up, I'll get out and take the loss. So let's see. At 8, if it trigger me, that's fine. I take a loss. Now this is 8 p.m. Eastern Time, trader, ladies and gentlemen. Il est 20h. Temps de New York. On va voir. Le marché de Tokyo est ouvert. On va voir. We hold in here, trader. Let's see. We're holding. Holding. Still holding. Let's see. Trying to come down. Still holding. Want to see if we can break down. Still holding there. We're holding. I'm risking the 2 trade. Moving up. Let's see. We're going to break there. take a loss. Going close to my stop. Rejection. Rejection. Want to see if the trade may come back down here. Let's see. Pushing up. Probably I'm going to take a loss here soon. Want to see. I'm out of one of my trades. Remain one. Want to see Australia breaking. I'm out there above the 20 trade. I'm going to go long on my trade here. Go long on US Japanese. Placing my stop below here. My stop there. Went long in one trade. Got to figure out the order. Let's see. We are now here on the resistance above the 20. Let's see. I'm just in one trade. I try one trade. I'm watching. Let's see. The candle. Still holding. Just one trade, I took. I want to see Australia breaking here. This one as well here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm holding here. I'm trying to take a long trade here, trader. I'm trying to take a long trade there. These guys as well. Below the 20 here. So Canadian as well. Australia, Japanese. So let's see. Trade. I don't know what's going to happen, but let's see. Je vais miser sur 3 trades. Je vais voir si je vais avoir raison. See a rejection here. Taking that one as well. Border 20. Let's see. I may be wrong here, but just guessing. Pulling back down. Pulling back. I try to take for the long side. I'm not sure. Let's see. If it doesn't work, I'll get out of the trade with a loss. I will take my full quantity. Moving down slowly. I'm getting in here. This one. Let's see my stuff here. This one as well. With my stuff here. So I'm entering my full quantity. Let me see. If you're going to have a rejection, we see a rejection. See the long. We're expecting the upside. coming down. Trader, not good. We do move up a little bit even. So approaching my stop on US Japanese. Now go to C. Gonna take it. This is an unusual case that the market open, Tokyo market open, no move up, just coming down. I was on the short, but it didn't hold. I went out because it was showing like it was holding. It's okay. Determining direct market direction is not easy. Gotta get out of my trade on US Japanese UD soon. That gotta be my second losing round of trade here. Want to see a rejection, pull back. Otherwise, going to take a loss. Taking a loss here on US Japanese. I'm out. Let's see also Canadian. Out of one trade. I'm sticking on my plan here. I'm not getting out. Let's see. I'm going to have my second trade on Canadian here. I don't know. I may break. Close to my stop on Canadian here. Want to see if I get out of that trade. Got to reject. US keep coming down. I'm out of Canadian here as well. With a loss, our trade keep going down. Let's see, we're going to have a rejection somewhere here. Going down. I want to see a rejection here. I'm going to enter here and place my stop above there, trader. I'm not sure, but I'm doing it. For the long, placing my stop here below. Let's see. Enter the long again. That is a lower on the support. If this one pull back again, also I'm gonna go long. If you continue down, take a loss there. Keep pushing for the break. So our trades are coming to the support. All our trade. So if you break here, I will start watching my trade for the short. I'll change now. I don't want to keep being stubborn. If I don't see a rejection here, I will start now my trade for the short trader, because it got to be obvious that we're going downtrend. When I see a rejection, when I see a pullback, green candle, when I see a green candle pullback up, now look like we keep going down. If that gotta be the case, I would take a loss, trader. Yep, I'm gonna take a loss here. Out of row again. See holding the rest. Stay holding here. Sitting for trade. Trying to see if I can re-enter this trade here. Please see my stop below. Here, I know it's very dangerous. So I want to see this one pushing up here so that I can enter as well. possible to have a continuation down. I'm entering also this guy. I see 3 dotty, triple dotty here. So hopefully going to have a move up. Let me see if I move up. Going back up. So trader, we're trying to move up now. Let's see. Trying to move up, which is great. It's not easy. Let's keep holding here. Let's watch here and see. Watching, moving slowly. Keep holding. Pulling back down. Hopefully just a retest. Pulling back down. I see a rejection. Pushing back down. Strong. Wow. Now good here, trader. No good. Gonna take another loss here, and I take a loss here. I'm gonna stop trading like this for today. Because I'm gonna hit my mass loss because it's pushing too much. You see a rejection like this one is good. Nice rejection. I see it dry up. Now good. This kind of pullback is too much. Keep going down. Take a loss, trader. This is not good. Pullback is good if you can get it. But this kind of rejection is too much. I'm not sure if we're gonna get if I can, survive here. Not sure. If it happens, I will be grateful, because I'm not sure that I can survive this one. But anyway, let's see. I don't know. Want to see the trade pushing back up. See how trade keep pushing up. Let's keep pushing up. I survived this one, man. This is unthinkable, man. Hopefully we'll go to new high here. Let's see, new high. Let's push to new high. Sale. Let's keep going. Watch a break. Let's see continuation up. See, hold it. Volume is coming in. Nice. Keep moving up. Want to see another green candle up. Stay holding. See holding. See holding. Approaching 9. Want to see a continuation up, trader? Know that GBP here already on the resistance. I don't know if it's going to break. I expect it to break. The GBP to break here. It's possible. Euro as well. I see GBP going up. Australia still in red. How good. Keep pushing up. Yeah, red to green. I'm still in red, you know. But for this trade, yes, I'm grateful because I survived. I can say it, but not totally, you know. So I want to move my stops to break even here. Those guys, I want it to move a little bit above the 50. Let's see. I'm still holding. Let's see. Can keep pushing up. I want to see Australia coming above the 200. Red to green. This is true, but let's see. I'm still down on the day. See, hold it here. Sorry, pushing down. I don't know why. Always stubborn. Pushing back down. I want to see a break on euro and GBP. GBP already break slowly, but also CJ. See, holding here. You can see here how the trade came close to my stop at this level. My stop was just here. So let's see if we're gonna get it, trader. I'm still holding for the continuation upside. These three trades, I don't want them to, I'm going to place them on the break even here. These three trades here. Three trades I enter. I don't want to take them back down again. They don't continue up. I will be stopped out at that level. So, but I expect the trade to continue up. Trader, want to see a break, continuation, new high. Maybe we might come back down. It's possible. I'm not sure. So I'm waiting to see. Coming back down. See a rejection, which is great. I'm going to see a continuation up. See our trade coming down. Again, hopefully see a rejection, equal to rejection there for the new high. Otherwise, I'm going to take the loss. So let's see. Because I cannot just, when the trade just move, I jump to take the profit. Whereas I hold the trade a lot. Because people, are willing to hold on the losing trade than hold on the winning one. So that is not good. You gotta hold on the winning trade more than the losing one. So when the trade start giving you money too, you can hold it and see. Unless it doesn't work. See our trade coming down. I have my stops here. I readjusted my stop to the break even here. Those trade. Here as well, those 3 trade. So let's see. We may see some kind of pullback. It's possible. Sorry. Otherwise, I'm going to take a loss. See, hold it. The trend never goes straight. Trend like snake, go up, down, up, down, up, down, and finally, sometimes it takes the direction you have to. But for most traders, they like the trend to go up. Everybody like it, but sometimes the trend doesn't do that. It does like a snake, go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Finally, like we can see here, we have a lower, high, low. We have now another high, but we can keep going down. It's possible. Like we can have a reversal here. We do high, high, and high, low, and high, high again, and high, low, and high, high. It's possible for the change of direction. So let's see. We may have a lower high there, a new high. It's possible. Because sometimes that is how the trend does. You might see a low high there, like the one we want to see now. It's good. Because that is how trading sometimes is about. That is why it's important for us to remain in front of the chart, to see how the charts are doing. But people don't like that. When they stand in front of the chart, they sleep or they do something else, they place a trade, they walk away. You won't be able to see all those movements. Everything is doing like this. You have to get used to. Yeah, you gotta get used to. Il disait qu'il est très important de regarder la tendance, tout ce que la tendance fait, pour vous familiariser, afin que votre esprit se familiarise avec. Parce que le trading, la tendance ne va jamais tout droit. Des fois, ça fait comme le serpent. Ça va en haut, ça va en bas, ça va en haut, ça va en bas, ça va en haut, ça va en bas. Finalement, ça prend la direction que vous avez besoin. Mais pour beaucoup de traders, ils ne sont pas habitués à ça. Ce qu'ils font est qu'ils placent les trades. D'autres, quand ils sont devant leur écran, ils dorment. D'autres ne regardent pas, regardent ailleurs, ils n'aiment pas regarder. Bon, c'est difficile que vous puissiez vous habituer avec les mouvements du marché. Chaque fois, il y a des moments où c'est important seulement de venir regarder, soit regarder comment le mouvement s'effectue, afin que votre cerveau puisse s'habituer à tous ces montées et descendre. Ça, c'est ce que je pense. Comme vous pouvez voir notre trade, après tu continues vers le bas. Mais déjà, le retour-ci a été important. This pullback up, it's not bad. It shows that there's something may happen. Yep. It shows that there is a possibility, there is a hope. Let's see. Let's keep holding. Trader. If you continue down, I will take a loss. I was expecting a lower high. We had it here a little bit, but we rejected it. They push back down. Keep pushing down. Sometimes it happens like this. Go and retest the high and come back down. Nothing you can do. Market have to do what they have to do. That is why we say that trading takes time. A lot of time to get used to. You will never just come like this, you become a profitable trader. No. You need to get used to the movement of the market. Every day you come, you watch what it's doing, and you get used to. Like I'm doing right now. Look what happened. It dried up completely. Now it's pulling back again. See? That is like magic. Want to see a new high? The new high? New high? See, hold it. Expect the push. Australia is doing great. Huh? pullback. Want to see our trade more new high? I'm still holding. Want to see a break? Australia is pulling back down. stop there on Canadian. Come down, I'll be getting out of the trade. See, holy. We're approaching 9:30 here. Everything is tight here. Very tight. Want to move up, new high. Pushing down again. Now good. See, holding, expecting the move, the high, move at the high. Otherwise, I will take a loss here, trader. Moving to new high is possible. Trading is very, very difficult and scary. Very scary, trading. Want to see our trade moving to new high. Still holding. Trade hard to move up. Keep pushing down. But I'm keep holding. Probably we may see a spike. I don't know. Still holding. Wanna see my trade moving up? New high. Pushing up. US pushing down. Coming back down here. Now good. We're not able to get new high. I don't know. So we're pushing down. I adjusted my stop to break even on some trade I re-enter. So we get there, you gotta kick me out. Take a loss. I hold my trade, but look like we're not gonna get it. That's why we say that trading is difficult, but everything is not lost here. We can still see a reversal, big one. It's possible. Trading is never say never. Very close to my stop on Canadian. Close my stop, Canadian. Close to my stop. Break even here. See a rejection. Approaching on Australia Japanese here. I mean Australia, yes, Australia Japanese. Coming down. Second attempt on Canadian. Closed my stop. Saw a first rejection. So coming down. I see a rejection. Keep pushing down. I see a complete rejection. Gotta get out now on Canadian. No more rejection. So, did my best here. I was expecting the trade to go up, but out of Australia. So I'm taking my this on the break even here. So trader, I accept the loss today was the huge one. I was expecting my trade to keep going up, but I'm not able to get it. So today things didn't work out. Hopefully, come back tomorrow again. Choses n'ont pas marché aujourd'hui comme prévu. Bon, néanmoins, j'ai essayé de respecter mon plan, mais j'ai cru que ça devait continuer, qu'on devait continuer vers le haut. Néanmoins, on est en train de descendre. Je suis obligé de sortir. On va encore revenir demain. C'est voilà. Come back tomorrow again, trader. 18h45. Voilà, temps de New York. Come back again at 6:45 tomorrow. Trader. It's a pleasure for me to trade. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Au revoir.